Assalamualaikum. Yesterday we've covered control devices for particulate contaminant, which is cyclone. So today we continue with dynamic precipitator. So both cyclone and dynamic precipitator use the same force, which is centrifugal force. But for dynamic precipitator, the centrifugal force is generated by the action of rotating vanes inside here. And then the force is 7 times higher compared to the conventional cyclone. Okay, you can see the advantages of dynamic precipitator. It can serve both as an exhaust fan and also as dust collector, and widely used in ceramic, food and pharmaceutical industry. The disadvantages, dynamic precipitator cannot handle wet and also fibrous material because it can accumulate on the blade, okay, and then plugging may occur. And also disadvantages, it require high power input than cyclone. Okay, so the third one is a wet collector. So why we call it as wet collector? Because it incorporates particles into liquid droplets. So this equipment use liquid droplets by interception during gravitational settling. Okay, so dia akan trap, the liquid droplet akan trap the particulate. The efficiency depends on energy consumed in the air to water contact. Wet collector advantages: provide efficient, low-cost solution to air pollution problem, and also can handle hot and moist gases. And disadvantages, of course, high or fluctuating pressure drop, high maintenance, not recommended for use where high plume rise is important, and also disposal problems of the particulate, because when the liquid droplet trap the particulate, it will become another wastewater. So it requires another treatment for the wastewater that has been collected in the dust host. Okay. For wet collector, we have 3 types: spray tower, wet cyclone scrubber, and also venturi scrubber. So the other type also available as a packed tower scrubber. This is suitable for removal of gas pollutant. Okay, because if you use this one for particulate, it will clog. This is example for spray tower. Okay, if you can see here, this is gas coming in. Okay, particulate yang the air contaminant will coming in from the bottom, and then the scrubber will spray the liquid droplets. Okay, so in the meantime, the droplet will trap the contaminant, and then going back as wastewater collected here. Okay, so this wastewater again we have to treat. Okay, so this is the disadvantages of spray tower. And then the remaining clean gas, clean air will coming in at the top. Okay, so spray tower is a low-cost scrubber. It can remove both gases and particulate contaminant, as you can see just now. It will cost and able to handle large volume of gases and effective in removing particles excess of 10 micrometer. Spray tower or scrubber, this is the mechanism as I showed before. The T, air in at the bottom, and then we have the liquid droplet, and then clean air out. Then bila liquid droplet dah trap the particulates, so they can collected here as dirty water out and become wastewater. Number 2, wet cyclone scrubber. Okay, this is high pressure spray nozzle generate a fine spray that intercept the small particles entering in the swirling gases. Okay, so cyclone scrubber, wet cyclone scrubber. So it combines the swirling gases in the cyclone and also scrubber. So particulate matter will thrown to the wall by centrifugal force. This is in the cyclone, and then drain to collection sump. Okay, so the particle removal depends on contact with droplet, and it is a function of liquid flow rate, liquid droplet, and also particle size. So this is another type, which is Venturi scrubber. Okay, Venturi because it has Venturi throat here. So dirty gas inlet at this side, and then coming at the bottom, dirty gas inlet, and it also has a cyclonic separator. So for Venturi scrubber, efficient in removing particulate and also gas, both. Most efficient in removing 0.5 to 5 micron. High power cost and also removal efficiency depends on particle size and heat loss. Okay, because it has Venturi throat here. So this is the differences between spray towel scrubber, Venturi scrubber, wet cyclone scrubber. Okay, 3 types. For spray towel, it can be in both design, either vertical or horizontal. Okay, so normally the dirty gas in will coming in from the bottom. Okay, this one from bottom, and then it has liquid droplet. That is why that is called wet collector. Okay, because it use liquid. And then dirty gas inlet also from bottom. It has liquid droplet sprayed and clean gas coming out at the top. Okay, the same basic concept. Okay, next, number 4, fabric filter, also known as baghouse filter. Okay, because it uses fabric inside the filter. It uses fabric as the filter. So as you can see, the dusty air inlet also coming in from the bottom. Okay, and then will be filtered through the fabric. Okay, this is fabric. 1, 2, 3 series of fabric inside the equipment. And then clean air outlet will be out. Okay, so if you look at one single fabric, this is how it looks like. Okay, so dirty gas in coming at the bottom, and then the fabric used as filter. So the contaminant particulate will be stuck inside the fabric. Okay, so particulate contaminant will be trapped, and then clean gas will be out. Okay, so this is fabric filter. Gas stream with particulate contaminant passes through a woven or felted fabric. Okay, if you look just now, this is the fabric. Okay, and then dirty gas in will be coming in, and then trap the particulate at the surface of the fabric, and clean gas out will be filtered. Okay, so at the bottom it will be opened, and at the top it will be closed. Okay, this is filter bag. So how the particles are retained based on direct interception, initial impaction, diffusion, electrostatic attraction, and also gravitational settling. So as you can see just now, the filter bag used tubular or envelope shape. Okay, tubular, dekat bawah dia terbuka, atas dia tertutup. Capable of retaining particle less than 0.5 micron. Okay, ranging about 1 to 1.8 to 9 meter long. Upper ends are closed and lower ends are attached to inlet manifold. So after the pressure drop increase, it can be cleaned intermittently, periodically or continuously. So after some times, the fabric will be full of contaminant. So bila debu-debu, particulate dah melekat banyak, so dia akan dibersihkan. Okay. Sama ada periodically, intermittently or continuously. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. High collection efficiency, extremely flexibility in design, able to handle large volume of gases and particulate, ability to handle diversity of solid materials, and also application in high volume operation because it is very a big equipment.